and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another smoothie recipe for you guys, but this one's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be making a cinnamon bun smoothie. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So the smoothie series is continuing. This one's going to be a little bit different. This is going to be kind of like a dessert or a breakfast smoothie because it's going to be essentially a Cinnabon. So good. So for this recipe, all you're going to need is your banana. Now remember, the riper the better because it's just going to be that much more sweet. We're going to need, of course, some cinnamon, some pure maple syrup. Don't use the syrup that you put on like your pancakes or something like that. You're going to want pure maple syrup. Some almond milk, some oats, and that's literally it. No frozen fruit or anything like that here today. So all we're going to do is grab our NutriBullet and just start putting these ingredients in. Doesn't matter any particular order, and like I always say, you don't have to, cut up your bananas all super nice because they're just going to get all blended up anyway. So save yourself some time and just kind of peel them into your NutriBullet. Alright, then we're going to add in our cinnamon. We're going to do a tablespoon of our maple syrup. Then we're going to do a 1/4 cup of our oats. This smells so good already. Okay, then just our almond milk. Alright, and then you're just going to put your lid on and get to blend it. But first, I'm just going to put away the rest of my ingredients because, I can't with all this stuff all over the place. Alright, let's get blending. I need to just smell this. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this over to another cup and put our smoothie straw in, and then we're going to try some. Okay, so this smells so good. Now, usually I get a little bit more in my other smoothies. I mean, just like a little bit. So this is definitely a thinner consistency, kind of like our green smoothie, just an FYI. So if you want it to be a little bit thicker, maybe you want to add some more oats or a little less of your almond milk or whatever, but let's get to trying some. Oh. This is literally a Cinnabon in a drink right now. So good. This tastes just like it. I know it sounds weird, but it really does. And you have your oats in there, which is really good. This is like the perfect breakfast smoothie. Love it, love it, love it. I love the cinnamon with the banana here. So good. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. But that's all I have for this video today, guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody who skips breakfast, because this is a super easy way to just make sure you get a good breakfast and you can take it on the go if you don't have any time. And as always, if you guys want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.